This busy man was too busy, so that he was having phone call while throwing trash. So that he dropped his wallet just because he was too hurried. These poor children catched up that moment and pick up his wallet and check it. Wow, that wallet had so much money. With these kids, that amount of money might be enough for them to live for a week or even a month, but both of them had pure heart, and they were not covetous to take a thick wallet. So they had the idea to decide to sit right there to wait for its owner. They both agreed that certainly its owner would come back for it. This busy man was too busy, so that he was having phone call while throwing trash. As you can see, both of them were so hungry that time, but they decided to eat their food instead of using just a little money in that wallet. Not only be truthful, but also they love and always protect their environment. The boy checked the trash bag, throw wrong side, and throw into recycle bin. Back to this man, he just realized that he lost his wallet, so that he remembered where he lost it, and came back to the recycle bin to find his wallet. See the children sleeping right there, and he had to ask them about his lost wallet. Then these girls checked the wallet out, make sure he is its owner, and gave the wallet back to him. What would you do when you were given back your lost items? Of course, I would pay for my benefactors for appreciating them. But these kids were determined to not take that money although he were poor. That's why he bought something to thank them, and put in some money to help them. But these kids still denied. At the end, they accept his thanks to make him happy. What cute children. Never make somebody becomes your joke. This man would learn a priceless lesson. This man would learn a priceless lesson. And his wife was going to teach him a lesson when he made fun of this poor old man. She immediately left, and didn't forget to slap him right at his face. This man would be remembered that slap for his life. Not all of people have responsibility with community and environment. Because of their business, or just because of their low awareness. But not this woman. She see that manhole cover was dropped down because that way. She couldn't turn a blind eye to this situation. Although she wear business outfit, but she seemed to not care about that. She kneeled and bended over to help pick it up, just to make sure that no one could be dangerous when they pass you. She picked it up and didn't forget to close it, and that situation would never happen again. Many respect from me for this woman. This world needs more people with responsibility like you. Thank you for your dedication for this community. Hope that everyone in this world like you. Our world would be better and more beautiful. This adult man have age, but his awareness not even equal with the little boy behind him. How do you feel when you are worse than a little student? Not only did he throw trash wrong side, his attitude with the boy is unacceptable. Until there were two men came and helped the boy to teach this low awareness man a lesson. They picked all trash that he just threw, and give all back for the owner. Finally, this man got a lesson that he will remember for a whole life. Hope you enjoy our video. Don't forget to leave a like.